Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to open a Weltrade account and how to deposit your first funds onto Weltrade. So what does Weltrade offer? So we are here on their homepage. Here you can see safety, fast withdrawals, promotions, partner programs, some reviews, FAQs and so forth. Now what we want to do today, we want to register an account with Weltrade. So the first thing you need to do when you are on the home page, you want to go to registration. Link is going to be in the description as well. So you can just click on the link and then it will take you to the registration tab. So let's click on registration. Alright, so you are going to be greeted with this window as soon as you click on the link down in the description. Really straightforward. You can sign up using your Facebook, Google, or you can just use your email, create a password, and then create an account. So as soon as you create an account, you are going to be greeted with this dashboard right over here, Weltrade. So this is going to be your dashboard where you can go through everything inside of the dashboard, where you can go between your real and your demo accounts. You can go to your finances. This is where you are going to deposit, withdraw, transfer, and everything like that. We are going to go to this option right over here now. Even the promotions, web terminal, you got promo codes. So these promo codes are basically for your first deposit. You can get these promo codes applied to your account. You have copy trading, you have MQL5 signals, education, and help. Then when we go to dashboard, here's again your finance here at the top. Partner program as when you have an affiliate link, and also refer a friend. So the first thing that we want to do when we are on our dashboard, you created an account now, you can go right over here. This is where you can choose your theme and everything like that. Then when you go to settings, just make sure you do all of your information correct. This is under your personal data, your authorization, securities, newsletters, payment templates, and then of course your verification. This is going to be really important where you are going to verify all of your details like your ID documents and your mobile phone number and everything like that. Alright, so let's go to the next step of this video where we are going to show you how you can deposit for your first time. So as you can see, we are here on the dashboard. Weltrade also rolled out a new synthetic trading where you can trade 24/7. So what type of accounts do we have? We have a micro, premium, pro, and synthetic. So for the sake of this video, I want to open up a real synthetic account, but also I want to go to the promo codes right over here. So as soon as you go to promo codes, you see here synthetic 50%. So boost your deposit by 50% as of the time of making this video. We want to go to view more, then you can see exactly right over here. Your minimum deposit needs to be $25, your max bonus, and then all of the details of the promotion. So I want to create a synthetic account right over here. So before we can do that, let's quickly go back to dashboard. I want to create a synthetic real account, create a account, synthetic. So here you can see all the details, minimum $1 deposit, leverage up to 1 till 10,000, your trading tools, and your dividend rate. So I want to choose MT5. I want to have this account in USD. Here you can choose your leverage, and then you can just say, I have read and fully understand all the terms and conditions, and you are going to say open up account. Then your account is immediately open. Here is all your details of your account type, your leverage, your account number, and then your trading password. And then a letter containing your account information was sent to your email right over there. So before we click deposit right over here, Yeah, you can download the trading platform for Mac or web platform, your Windows, Android, ISO, and so forth. So if you don't want to trade on the web, yeah, you can download the official MT5 apps. So now I want a deposit to receive my bonus. So now I go to promo codes. I want to deposit right over here. So now I need to see how I want to deposit. So here you can choose any type of deposit that you need. So in my instance, I'm going to choose bank transfer. So I'm going to click on bank transfer. Then I'm going to put in the amount and I want to deposit $50. Payment currency is for me is going to be in ZAR. If you don't have a wallet, we can add a wallet right now. Promo code, this is the one. Yeah, you can see it's going to be 905 Rand with the exchange rate. Let's add a wallet quickly. Bank transfer, currency, and then you're going to put in your mobile number right over here. And then you're going to put add. There we go. We have a wallet right over here. And then I acknowledge. And then I want to say continue. So here's all the details, how much you are going to deposit. So I'm going to deposit, so my bonus is going to be $25. Why? Because I deposited $50. This is the amount on the exchange rate, and then I'm going to say confirm. Then you're going to go to a payment option. You're going to choose your bank. And this is where you are going to log in with your details. So I'm going to skip this section quickly, and then I'll show you when we are back. And there you go. As you can see, the money has been deposited. The reason why it's not 75 on the dot, there was a system maintenance when I made this deposit. So basically the new exchange rate rounded off to this number and not 75 on the dot. That's the only reason, but money is in the account. So if you don't have a Weltrade account, link is in the description. Go sign up. They have a bunch of accounts as you've seen in the video. We are going to make a video more in depth about every single account that Weltrade has to offer. Link is in the description. Go check them out. Then we'll see you in the next video.